Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stock on the Charles Schwab website. First, securely log into your Schwab account. Once logged in, locate the Trade tab, usually found in the main navigation menu. From there, select Stocks and ETFs to begin the selling process. This ensures you are on the correct page to manage your stock transactions efficiently and accurately. Next, you'll need to input the specifics of your sale. On the trading screen, select Sell as your desired action. Then, accurately enter the stock symbol or the full company name of the shares you intend to sell. Finally, specify the exact number of shares you wish to divest. Double-checking these details is crucial to ensure your trade is executed correctly. Now, choose your order type. You can select a market order for immediate execution at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price point. Carefully review all the trade details, including the stock, number of shares, and order type. Confirm the estimated proceeds and any associated fees to avoid surprises. This step is vital for a successful transaction. Finally, once you are confident in your selections, click the Place Order button to submit your selling request. You will then receive a confirmation of your trade execution, indicating that your shares have been sold. It's a good practice to monitor your Charles Schwab account to see the updated cash balance reflecting the proceeds from your sale. Congratulations on completing your trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.